I'm Shawn. I want to teach you different shapes. Then we can carve Halloween pumpkins with those shapes. Let's see what shapes we have. Square, circle, triangle, rectangle, oval, rhombus, octagon. Now it's time to carve pumpkins with those shapes. Let's carve a robot pumpkin. We need 2 squares for the eyes, 1 octagon for the nose, and 1 rectangle for the mouth. Good job! Now let's carve a cartoon pumpkin. We need 2 ovals for the eyes, 1 circle for the nose, and a half circle for the mouth. Well done! And now let's carve a Halloween pumpkin. We need 2 triangles for the eyes, 1 rhombus for the nose, a half circle for the mouth, and 3 squares for the teeth. Thank you. Now we're ready for Halloween.